Welcome to today's video. In this lesson, we're going to explore the fascinating world of nutrition, what it is, why it matters, and how it affects your body every single day. Scene: Healthy food visuals. Nutrition is the science of food and how your body uses it. Every bite you eat goes on an incredible journey, from digestion, to absorption, to providing energy that keeps you alive and active. Scene: Body animation showing energy production. Food contains nutrients, which are substances your body needs to function properly. These nutrients include carbohydrates, your main source of energy; proteins, important for growth and tissue repair; fats, essential for energy storage and cell protection; vitamins and minerals, needed for hundreds of body processes; water, vital for hydration and transporting nutrients; fiber, important for digestive health. Scene: Balanced diet plate graphic. A balanced diet means getting the right amount of each nutrient. Eating too little or too much can affect your health. Good nutrition helps you maintain a healthy weight, strengthen your immune system, improve energy levels, support growth and development, prevent chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Scene: People making healthy choices. Nutrition is not just about eating, it's about making smart choices. Small daily habits, like drinking water, eating more fruits and vegetables, and avoiding excess sugar, can make a big difference. Final scene: Calm outro. And that's your quick introduction to nutrition. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and nursing related content. Thanks for watching.